Good morning, good morning, good morning. Beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today we're back in the cool hills of Manchester. We're going to the farm to see if we can find some sorrel to make some juice for Christmas. What kind of orange them there? A sweet orange? Hmm? It smells sour. This is sweet potato. It actually tastes sweet. It actually tastes sweet.
Yeah, man, good man.
Wait. That will lift me. Ah! What in tiny road? Hey! I'm stuck with about me have it on camera. You know how come to. Ah! Woo!
Sorry, from here to right out. You start cutting out, straight out, That's the sorry.
When is sorrel plant?
Huh?
When you plant?
Plant. Oh Lord.
Or how much months it take for it ready? Or 4 months, 5 months? So people, the what left sorrel we get. The what left sorrel we get, because they cut sorrel already. So I'm gonna give me some of what left.
Share to the body, you know? So, this is for you. Hold on. Come on.
Not quite enough.
This is for you. Tooth farming. Okay? So we're cutting some sorrel this morning. At the Christmas season start.
Got it hot alive.
We're going to drink some sorrel now.
With some rum. You know, put a rum in there. One rum in that mine. Like, share and subscribe.
Yes, we're up here. We're up here. We're up here in the hills. The hills of Manchester. Me and my daughter, you know, doing some beautiful mountains, farming area. So we cutting sorrel. Okay, this is Christmas time now, so we're going to enjoy ourselves. Ginger and every little thing in it. Enjoy yourself. Okay?
I feel like I carry me one. You want to load. Whew.